Hey there, Encappers. In today's episode, I want to talk to you about the Gentoo. The Gentoo is a sprayer that we sell here. It has this 2.5 gallon removable jug, so it's great if you want to bring in different products. You can have them mixed in different jugs, so you just swap it out, boom, you're ready to go. It's been rethought all the way through. The folks at St. Out have really done a great job with this. Just solid. The way that it's put together, it's a good trigger. It's just really nicely set up. Now you turn it on here, you can see you've got an illuminated power switch right there in the handle. And now let me just demonstrate how it works. I don't know how well you'll be able to see this in front of the camera, but it just puts out a beautiful pattern of spray. So if you're spraying, this is going to get you excellent results. Again, interchangeable jugs. Comes with a Viton seal, so it's chemical resistant. It's going to work with any of the different types of products that we have for normal cleaning. It's going to handle solvents real well. Just a terrific design. You've got the removable charger. It comes with a lithium-ion battery, just like your power tools. So here you have something you can unplug. It'll run all day on a charge, and then just put it on the charger afterwards. Just like that. Such a nice design. We sell a lot of these here at Excellent Supply. The unit without water weighs about 8 pounds. So at 8 pounds, it's a pretty lightweight system. Of course, you got another 20 pounds or so of water. Easy to get around, super handy. So if you're using a pump-up sprayer, advantages to using this compared to a pump-up sprayer is that as you pump up a pump-up sprayer, you start at a good pressure and then it goes down, goes down, goes down. So at the start, you're getting good coverage and then you're quickly fading away. And you pump it up again and then it starts strong, it fades away. You want consistency though. When you're putting down pre-spray, when you're putting down an encapsulation detergent, if you're doing bonnet cleaning, for example, you don't want heavier, lighter, heavier, lighter. You're going to get very inconsistent results. When you're working with a battery-powered sprayer, you have consistency, and that's critical to getting really good results. You want to put down your solution very evenly and get good, consistent, even coverage. And the Gentoo certainly helps you along those lines. Now here's the charger. When you need to charge it, you simply unplug it, plug it in your charger, and you're good to go. Once it's charged, back in. If you want to get extra batteries, you can, but like I say, it runs all day on a charge, so just plug it in when you're done, plug it in each day, and with the charger that it comes with, you're all set. So this will give you a tool that will be very helpful for you in your carpet cleaning or really any type of cleaning application, even if you're putting down protectors, if you're putting down disinfectants, if you're doing Encap cleaning, bonnet cleaning, you name it. The Gentoo sprayer will cover everything from A to Z when it comes to spraying. It's just one more way we help you max your Encap here at Excellent Supply. Thank you for watching this episode. Share your comments below, please, if you would. If you have any questions, maybe you're working with the Gentoo, and we always appreciate it when you give us a thumbs up or subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thanks for watching Encap TV.